So, week 1 just gone, and we have our first repair job. This is the toilet cassette, and there's a bit crack in it. So, with duct tape and stick it silicone glue, I'm now going to attempt a repair. Here we are on Sunday, and I've been kept awake all night because my first idea of a fix, I thought, nah, rubbish. So what I've done is I've stolen some plastic from the, what do you call them? These things over here. So I've stolen a bit of that, which is to stop it from sinking in the sand and in the mud. And I've created a plate that I've glued in, I don't know if you can see that, on the inside and also on the back. Now we'll leave it 12 hours and we'll see if it's worked or not. Hey, that fix lasted 5 weeks. Just enough time to get to a friend's house who took one look at it and said, what you need is fiberglass. That'll fix it. It's May 2019, so it's 3 years later. Have a look at that. That's what we did. Still strong. And this is how we did it. You get white spirit, you clean it all off to get rid of the grease. Then you get some heavy duty sandpaper. Heavy duty sandpaper, and you rub it to hell so it gets a nice key, right? And you get a fiberglass kit. Take one of those with you, really handy. I got this in Poland, but that's another story. So you've cleaned it off, you've rubbed it down, and then you apply it with the resin, and then you cut the fiberglass. And this is important, there's 3 layers of fiberglass on here. The first one is a big one, and then the next one is slightly smaller, and then the next one is even smaller still. And then you whack more resin on, leave it to set, and that is your fix. Bloody marvellous. These things are 250 quid, so I'm very glad I've not had to buy a new one. How's that?